Hello all, myself Suresh Kumar. This is our 12th class. In this class, we will execute and difference between interrupt and inputs. Okay. First of all, in this class we have 15 type of interrupts. I will show you where it is. Just download it. PIC16F8. This is thing. This is the data sheet of this processor. This is our processors. This have a DIP package and PLCC package, TQFP package, and QFN package, SSOP, SOIC, different kind of packages are there, and the voltage tolerance also differ from one pack to another pack. Here it is. You can see it. This is the pin details and the architecture of our device. Timer interrupts. Here it is. This our using PIC16F877A processor. So interrupts. 14 type of interrupts are there. So you go through it and study it, memory, how to enable that timers, and like these all are memory maps. These all are registers are located in memories. Like if I access the port B, then I using 06x decimal address file. This is an address file. We need to study lot of we need to go through this, like this is peripheral interrupt enable. This we need to interrupt when we interrupt externally when we enable the external interrupt. That time we will set this registers as 1 or 0, like these kind of bits, 0 to 7. We need to study about this data sheet first. Then we can understand PCON interrupt, PCON, timer control. A lot of registers are there. We need to study this data sheet first of all. Then that is an important thing. Okay. I create a project for interrupt and input difference between. We know to difference between interrupt and inputs. Successfully created. Here I completed. Here is the code, source code for input. First we need to know about polling method. This is the while loop. Here it is. I'm do anything. I didn't do anything. Just I'm declared configured at port B as the port pin B0 as input, and another pins are output. And in D port have D0 and D1 as output, and another ports are pins are input. Making delay some configuration purpose. And output D 0 to 00 means first initialize every port is going switched off, and before going into while loop, and just initialize that ports are cleared. Wait for 100 milliseconds and go to in a super loop, while loop forever. If I press that pin B0, if I pin B0 is pulled up, so when I press that button, that time only ground connection is go into that pin B0. So that's why I'm using not input. If the pin is getting 0 volt, that time only these parts are executed, these statements are executed. If doesn't get not input, if doesn't get ground in this port pin B0, it will totally skip these statements. Only this statement, two statements are executed while I'm trying. Now I'm trying to load executed. You can see this the pin D2 are glowing within 100 milliseconds. You can see it, but if you once press the button, this process is stopped. You got it? Once press the button, the process is stopped, and this process is doing. After completion this process, and then come to here. The code is, if this part is executed, waiting for 2 milliseconds to 2 seconds, totally 4 seconds. Here it is. Here is implemented in interrupt concept. In this concept have a interrupt subroutine part. This is the subroutine part, we are called ISR part, and this is the main part. So here same thing, I didn't do anything. This is the setup part of external interrupt. This is the setup part for external interrupts. This first line tells about high to low. Already in this case I am pulled up, already hide. This interrupt pin is pulled up to 5 volt. So this pin is high. Whenever it goes low, that time only interrupt is occur. You got it? Default I pulled up this pin at 5 volt. So defaultly this pin is pulled high. So this pin is defaultly high. When this goes low, when I press this button, that time the interrupt will be occur. Enable the interrupt external. This is a specific interrupt. This is an interrupt. This PIC16F877A processor have a 15 type of interrupts. So we need to tell about that microcontroller, tell about that interrupt types. So that is external interrupt, int ext. So that's why I'm enabling this interrupts in this line. This is a specific switch, like in home. You have in your home the different types of switches in your home, like a TV switch, AC switch, and like these kind of switches. Which switch you want to switch on? If you want to turn the TV on, then you can go to switch on the fan. It's going to on the TV? Not. It's have a specific switch for the TV. That TV you must switch you must switch on. You should switch on that switch only. That time only the TV will be on. If you turn on the light switch and then you expect TV is need to on, is this going to on? No, isn't it? No, it doesn't on anywhere, anytime. Need a specific. It has a specific switch. We need to switch on that switch. So that is the thing. We need to enable that external interrupt and enable interrupts global. This is like a main switch in your home. It's like an MCP. It's like it's a main switch comes from EV line. So we need to enable this switch, and then we need to enable this specific switch. That time only the interrupt will be enabling. These two lines are really important for any interrupt. And this one line is really important because the electrical will be, first of all we need to come into our home. After that we can subdivide it to specific switches. So this line is really important, and this is tell about a specific interrupt, and this tell about in that specific interrupt we have high to low. That time only the interrupt will be occur. If low to high, that is also used. Some applications are different. So on that time we just replace that code low to high or high to low. We can use any two rising edge or falling edge type of interrupts. Now I am demonstrating this application. Here is the code. In super loop tab, D0 is blinking with 100 milliseconds delay 100 milliseconds between blinking, toggling, and this is an interrupt part. When I press this button, that time interrupt is occurred, the service approving part is executed. The same time it doesn't affect, this is called multitasking. The same time when I press that button, this is also executed, this is also executed, this two part also executed, this part also executed, this part also executed. Okay, see this, if affect any D2, doesn't affect, it is working 100 milliseconds, it doesn't affect anything. Here it is, I can switch on and off, switch on and off, switch on and off, switch on and off, switch on and off. It doesn't affect none. It is two part, this one part and another this one part. This is supporting part, this is main part. It is working properly. This is simultaneously working, this is also simultaneously working. It's like it's a kind of parallel process. This is also working one side, this is also one working side. This is D2 is working normally, this D1 also working normally in interrupt concept. See this, when I press the button, that time the pin is switch on. When I again press the button, the pin is go to low, go to high, go to low, go to high, go to low, go to high, go to low. That time the D2 doesn't affect, it is also working, it is also simultaneously working. The parallel process are going. Here it is, get an input and giving an output. That time this pin is also blinking fast. This is an interrupt concept. This is really important in industrial sites. So I feel it, I know it while I am studying, but when I passed out and moved to industrial side, making automation, making different kinds of panels, different kinds of I will try to given the solution for that machines. That time I will feel that interrupt concept. Interrupt is a very good concept. See this, a single core processor 16F877A is a single core processor, 8-bit cross processor, but it doing multitasking. See right now, multitasking. D2 also glowing, D2 also blinking, D1 also get a input from my my mouse pressing. Here it is. You got it? D2 is affected when I press the button. D2 affected when I press the button. It doesn't. It's working properly. It's working normally. Delay miss. Okay. This is an interrupt concept. You need to understand fully. When you go to real time, that time only you can understand the interrupt. So why we are going to interrupt? In sometimes we are using a single core processor. That time only we need to make multitasking. So in that case we will use interrupt concepts. Interrupt is the as a super concept in this single core processors. This is only for multitasking purpose. We need to know about this interrupt concept, that you are in strong, then we will move to timer and a counter concept and another interrupt concept. This external interrupt is the one of the simple interrupts in this processor. In this processor we have a 15 type of interrupts. We already I show in the data sheet 15 type of interrupts, 15 kind of interrupts. That may be internal or external. First of all, this is a basic interrupt, external interrupt. This is port B, RB0/INT. This is an external pin interrupt, external pin interrupt. So if you understand fully, if you understand strong, then we will move to timer. Timer is everything is based timer, counter, and ADC conversion, EEPROM completion, and these all are UART interrupt. These all are interrupt based concepts only. Okay. Please subscribe my channel. If you doesn't expand, if you want expand in our mother tongue, please mail me msureshkumar2610@gmail.com. Don't hesitate to mail for technical details. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. We will do it a timer 0 interrupt. Okay. Thank you for watching.